Hey guys, it's Niki Nails here with another tutorial. Here I am showing you my current acrylic brushes. They are from Blinged Supply. They are size 14 Kolinski haired brushes and they are pinched. I've had them for about 10 months. Today we are going to prep and prime a brand new brush. This is the D&D size 14 Kolinski brush. I got it from Artistry Nail Supply in Redlands. You're going to need some monomer and some pliers. So here I'm unpackaging the beauty. It is very well packaged. I love that it has the saran wrap on the metal piece. The brushes are going to come with a resin on the bristles. You just want to pinch it out and work your fingers through it and remove all of the resin. I've even seen people get a comb and comb through it. Your fingers will do. You'll know when all the resin is removed. You're going to want a clean dish of monomer. Then you're going to want to immerse all the bristles in the monomer. Hold it there for a second and apply some pressure, and you should see some bubbles rise to the top. You're going to want to work the bubbles out. Keep doing this process until there's no more bubbles. On a clean paper towel, you are going to wipe the brush. You're going to then re-immerse it back into the monomer and continue to wipe. I would repeat this step probably to fill up 2 paper towels worth of brush strokes. With this process, we are trying to achieve 2 things. The first, we are trying to completely immerse the bristles with the monomer, even the parts of the bristles deep in the brush that we cannot see. And the second, we are trying to find where the brush naturally flattens because we are going to pinch. Once you have found the natural flatness of the brush, you're going to get the pliers and make sure that the teeth of the pliers are only partly on the metal rim. You're going to apply a slight pressure, remove, and examine your brush. You'll repeat this process a couple of times until the pinch is to your liking. Once the brush is pinched, you're going to want to immerse it back into the monomer. Now that it's pinched, always be mindful when dipping it into your monomer. You want to repeat the steps from before. We want to make sure all the bubbles are removed from the brush. There are more bubbles this time because with the pinch, we have added air into the brush. So you want to make sure all those bubbles are removed. Once the bubbles are removed, you're going to want to wipe your brush. Re-immerse it, wipe it again. You're really going to want to see how that pinch works for you. As long as your fingers are gloved, you can inspect the bristles. I felt it needed to be pinched a little more. I gave my brush a few more pinches. Every time you pinch your brush, you're going to want to repeat the steps from before, re-immersing the bristles into the monomer, making sure the bubbles are removed, cleaning it on a clean paper towel. And that's pretty much it. Your brush is prepped and primed and ready to go. I would say before I used this brush the first time, I soaked it in monomer while I was applying the nail forms, and that gave it a little more oomph before its first use. When I'm storing my acrylic brushes, I like to make sure the bristles are a little bit damp and then I wipe them off. I like to make sure that I place it in on the pinched part and I close it up to keep it free from lint or dust. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Bye.